Has this ever happened to you? You go to do some editing, you put your headphones on, and your ear pad comes right off. And then you take a look and you go, boy, this thing is disgusting. Well, the nice thing is all of these parts are available on Amazon, and I'll have links in the description to everything I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to show you how to change all these parts. As a matter of fact, it's going to be so easy. You can do it single-handedly, like some other guy I know. So these are the Audio-Technica, or Audio-Technica. I'm sure somebody in the comment can correct me on how to say it. And as far as the model number, it is the ATH-M50x. I really like these headphones. They're my favorite, so I'm not going to go around and get another pair. I am just going to fix these, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing we're going to do is take out the jack. And to take out the jack in these Audio-Technica or Audio-Technica is to turn the jack, and it just comes right out, just pulls out. That's nice and easy. And you might be able to see the setup I have here. I'm using this camera that I'm looking at right now is the Osmo Action 4. And then this one right here for the close-ups is the Pocket 3. So if you're wondering about the setup, I have my Pixel 9 here that I'm controlling the Osmo 3, trying to make the shots a little bit better. We'll see how it works out. So as you can see, as I was saying earlier, that these things are just disgusting. There's no question as to why they were coming apart and falling. I mean, even the back foam rubber is coming apart. So these were long overdue. But one thing I didn't say in the intro was I'm also going to replace the I guess they're called the headband of the top here. So I'm going to be doing that as well. Got everything from Amazon. And I opened the package just to make sure everything was here, but I haven't opened up these packages yet. This is a headband cover for the ATH-M50x. It's a different color than black. I wanted to try something a little bit different. And then here are the the ear covers, pardon me. Look at that. I mean, look at the difference between these two. And look at the balance I have, by the way. But look at the difference there are in these two. It's really disgusting that I let it go that long. So obviously, if I was going to be ordering gloves, I wouldn't need two, but I do have two ears, so might as well do the two headphones. So these are easy to take off. Let me move this guy out of the way. These are easy to take off. I mean, it was so easy, that thing just popped off without me even trying. But if you need to take one of these off manually, there's just this little groove here, right here. If you can see it, that's where it connects. And basically, just pull it. Comes right off. This one isn't as bad a shape as this. I mean, this one is just torn up. But they're still, I mean, I can't even, they're bad. So herein lies some of the challenges for me as a one-handed person, but I'm still going to do it. Because what you have to do is now take, and you can see the difference, how much these have gotten worn out over the years. I think, yeah, you can see that. They're just different shapes. So I have to be able to get this part around and then this part right here around and in this groove. I'm going to do it. I'm going to give it a shot. Let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the, let's say the 5 o'clock side and get it into that groove. And kind of see, you can work it in. And you can see how it does go in. And I'm just going to work it around ever so, maybe not so gently, but just work it around, work it around. And you will have to pull these and they're just to expand them. And again, if I'm doing this with one hand, I'm pretty confident people with two hands can do it. I've never seen a really talented two-handed person, but I'm sure they exist. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it has to feed into here, into that groove. And once they do, it gets a little bit easier as you go around. There's just going to be one kind of difficult part, but then after you hit that difficult part, you're going to be able to just work it around. Yeah, I only have one little part left here. There we go. Oh my gosh, does that look better? That is 100 times better. Just going to kind of work it in to make sure that's in. So the trick is, again, on this one, I'm going to do this one off camera, this side. I'm going to show this next. But the trick is, this groove needs to accommodate this piece of leather right here. It just goes on, and then you work your way around. And there they are. Looks brand new. They look absolutely brand new. I don't even remember them looking like this. It's been so long. So now the next thing is the head cover. So let's take a look at this guy. It comes with a screwdriver, and that's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to take the screws out of here to get this pad off. And yep, the screwdriver. Look at how nice that is. The screwdriver is actually the same color. Isn't that crazy that they would do that? Let's take these off. Here's how I hold a screwdriver. Put my stump on top. This one has one of those tops that move. I have so many screwdrivers. Probably end up just getting rid of this thing. Like I need another screwdriver. I need another screwdriver like I need another hand in my life. But these come apart, the screws out, and then you can see that this easily just comes right off. Well, there is a little bit of glue on that for double face tape, and that must be why the double face tape came there. So let's take this side off too. Get this, yeah, double face tape on both of these. So one thing I don't have with me are scissors. You're gonna need scissors apparently, and I'll have to get some scissors off camera in just a second. I went ahead and got the scissors right now because the next thing you're supposed to do is cut these off. I don't like to cut these kind of things off, but you know what? At the end of the day, this thing's a piece of junk, so I don't have much. I'm not going to lose anything by cutting this off. I would say though, just be careful because there's wires all over in here. So just make sure you're cutting along the side here, along the side. There's not going to be any wires strung along the side. So that is cut. Just a basic piece of leather here that you can see is in terrible shape. I have everything apart. I'm gonna use some extra double face tape. This is what I have. It's peel and foam. It's a little thicker than what came with it, but I'm gonna use some extra right here. And then also you're gonna need some double face right here where it connects. So I just got myself some more of that. So what you have to do, and it doesn't do a good job in the directions, is you have to take this part off. And it's really easy. There's just a slat that it comes out of, and there you go. So it is very easy to take this out, but this has to come out before that goes in. And even though when you look at the way this is shaped, sometimes you might get confused which is the top and which is the bottom. This goes on the very bottom. So the way this goes is this way. And one thing they did do that I like, these slats right here, they align here, and you're not gonna be able to see because I can't point too well, and here. So those slats go right there. So that's the way it goes on. And I'm going to go through the bottom because I think it's just easier for me to do it this way. So I'm going to take it, and gosh, I hate to hit the double face tape like I just did there, but and flip it up through that way. Flip this around. And again, these right here and right there, so you see it's a little bit off because I'm just going to try to center it the best I can. And that's pretty good right there. The double face tape keeps it in place. Then you flip this around. And this has to also flip around one more time. And that's where that padding comes in on the bottom. So this flips around again. I hope you can see this. This is going to flip around and hit that Velcro. Line it up the best you can. Yeah. I'm struggling, so I'm trying to show at the same time. Normally I would just do this differently, but want everybody to see how to do this because it is nice. I can kind of see this is kind of coming up there, but it is nice. It's well made. I not really a lot of options. I'm not going to be sewing anything, so there's really not a lot of options for me to fix this on my own. And there we go. Now just kind of work your way down. There we go. Yeah, that actually looks that looks perfect. It's coming down on this side. Probably can come down a little bit more on that side, but you can see the foam there. I'll do one of these sides to show you. On the inside, you have to take the double face tape out of there, out of this side. So, you know, I will use some of their older. I'll use that 3M if I have to. So just cut a little piece that comes with the kit, which is nice. And I have some residual on there. I think it's going to be fine. If not, I'll fix it later. So this is the left side because I kept them the left and right. This one comes from the back. Perfect. Okay, you see that? That does fit perfect. There's no question. We'll put the other double face tape. I cleaned this a little bit already. Again, clean in there. Yeah, I'll try this little foam and peel, 3M stuffs. Will definitely make it squish a little bit more. Let's just have a one-handed person does it. Okay, so, and you guys probably think, oh, this is gonna be tricky for this one-handed guy to do this. Yeah, you're right, actually, I'm not gonna lie. But I will figure it out. One thing I don't like, this has to come down better. There we go. Yeah, that has to come down better. I'm gonna put this side on first. Actually has a little bit too much of that white exposed. There we go. Put that down. Yeah, that's very nice. Hold that down with my, as some people call it, the stump. Hold that down. Get the screwdriver. Put that guy in. I'm not going to crank on this. I'm a mechanic too, so I always like to do things. I don't like to just tighten one side before the other side is started. It's almost like the star pattern putting on a tire or something like that. Or wheel. There it is. I will finish. I'll show the finished product when I'm done, but that looks pretty good. I feel it looks better than it did. So I'll go ahead and put the other side on now. So there it is. Restored to a certain extent. Nice new color here. This does fit nice. These ear pads are extremely nice. Very happy with those. So again, so easy. Even a one-handed person can do it. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped. If it did, leave a comment. Or if I did something wrong, if I'm saying the name of this wrong, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.